Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore Google tool to help you enhance your online presence. In this video, I will tell you the step-by-step process of submitting your website to Google Search Console. So let's get started. The tool we are tackling is Google Search Console. It's a powerful platform that helps you monitor and optimize your website's performance on Google Search. Here's how you can submit your website to Google Search Console. Open your web browser and go to Google Search Console website. Sign in with your Google account and click on Start Now. After this page will be open in front of you and we have to add link of our website in URL prefix. So I paste here my website link and click on verification. Here the website is checking for verification and verification methods open. Here you can apply different verification methods such as download this HTML file and paste this in your website code, or you can use Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager or domain name provider. But in this video, I will verify my website for Google Search Console using HTML tag. So open this and copy the provided code. We have to add this HTML code in every single page of our website. If your website is made using HTML, CSS and JS, you can easily paste this code in your HTML file in the head section. But for WordPress website, I show you how you can add this code. So let's open WordPress dashboard of our website and go to plugin section. You can see on the screen I have installed two plugins that are Header Footer Code Manager and WP Code Lite. You can add these plugins by clicking on Add New. After installation of these plugins, you can see code snippets option in sidebar. Click it and this interface will open. Now click on Add New and then click Use Snippet and then paste the copied code here. Save it and keep the setting as it is. Now in the sidebar you can see HFCM option. This is a plugin. Click it and now click on Add New Snippet. Keep this setting as it is and scroll down and paste the code here and save it. Now go to Google Search Console again and click on Verify. Website is verifying and ownership is verified. Our website is added to Google Search Console, which gives us help while monetizing our website from Google AdSense. In the next video, I will tell you the tips and tricks to monetize your website easily from Google AdSense. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tech videos like this if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.